Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix Excel worksheets not showing when you are going to open an Excel workbook. In order to do that, I have prepared an Excel workbook, and now let's open it and let's see what I want to mean. And as you can see, we cannot see the spreadsheet data inside this Excel workbook. This occurs because this is hidden. In order to unhide this, we are coming to View section from above menu, and from the Window section we're coming, and as you can see there's an option Set and Hide. Clicking this, and here we have the list of worksheets that are presently in workbook. We have only one worksheet, and I'm gonna choose this and pressing OK, and as you can see now we can see the workbook data inside. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.